On the rugged coast of Halland, Sweden, rises a vision of stone and imagination, Tjolöholm Castle, a masterpiece where art, architecture, and nature live as one. Inside, time seems to pause, sunlight dances on oak and glass. Whispers of history linger in every room. Join us as we step beyond its walls to explore the stories, the beauty, and the spirit of Tjolöholm Castle, where history meets the sea. Inspired by English country houses, yet deeply rooted in Scandinavian grace, Tjolöholm blends Gothic romance with modern innovation, a balance of strength and serenity overlooking the Kattegat Sea. An extraordinary blend of Tudor elegance and Scandinavian craftsmanship. Built at the end of the 19th century, it was a home created not only for beauty, but for comfort, innovation, and modern luxury far ahead of its time. As we step inside, our journey begins in the billiard room, a warm, wood-paneled retreat where guests once gathered for evening games and conversation. Sunlight filters through stained glass windows, casting a colorful glow across the green table, while carved details whisper stories of craftsmanship and leisure. From here, we move into the grand dining room, a space designed to impress. Its long table, dark oak paneling, and towering fireplace reflect the spirit of aristocratic entertaining. Ascending the staircase, we arrive at the landing, where art, textiles, and carved balustrades surround us. This space served as both a transition and the display a gallery meant to showcase the family's tastes and the era's design ideals. Next, the drawing room invites us in with soft furnishings, gentle colors, and sweeping views toward the sea. This was the heart of social life, where guests relaxed, read, and enjoyed afternoon tea. Nearby, the study stands in striking contrast. Darker, more intimate, and lined with rich wood, it was a room designed for thought letters written, plans made, and quiet moments kept. We continue into the library, filled with rows of leather-bound volumes and the warm scent of old paper. Here, history surrounded its readers, offering both escape and inspiration beneath the coffered ceiling. Even the bathroom speaks to the castle's innovation, one of the most modern in Europe at the time. On the guest floor, each room was carefully prepared for comfort. Fine fabrics, ornate furniture, and thoughtful details made every visitor feel like royalty. And as we leave the castle behind, its legacy remains a masterpiece of design, a symbol of innovation, and a living story of an era when imagination shaped architecture. Tjolöholm Castle is more than a home. It's a timeless treasure,